4260, can you show me a 1098 active RTF for the trespassing, and can you build a separate call for assistance request at the same location? Copy. I also have a 27 to attach by name for DOB. 60, go ahead. 60, last of first of Shar, Charles Henry Adam Robert, DOB 9277070. Can you build me an additional call for trespassing? 60 Amber.
Hey, what's going on?
Hey, how's it going, man?
It's going pretty good. Hey, I just want you to know, I just got off the phone with the landowner, and just like what we're doing here with them, being advised trespassing, he wants you off the property too, so this is an advisement trespassing.
Gotcha. I won't go any further over there.
So this land it's this business district. I'm not sure his scope as far as what he's desirous of, but at least for sure the creek.
So don't go over there.
Yeah, so
gotcha.
It's just like I said.
4260, can you attach Gabriel Rojas to the trespassing call? Show local contact.
Officer Warner sees me recording, gets butthurt about it. He calls the property owner to solicit a trespass, then casually adds my name and information to the criminal case report.
Attach Gabriel Rojas to the trespassing call.
It didn't really click until 10 minutes later when this talking mustache rolls up on me.
Were you talking to earlier over there?
What?
Were you talking to earlier, like right across the other side about trespassing?
Talk to you like don't go on the past the fence?
Yeah.
Yeah, I didn't.
So yes or no? Yeah?
Was I advised
Yes.
trespassing? Yeah.
Yeah. Okay, so the owner doesn't want you anywhere on that property where you just were, unless it's for business. Okay?
What's your name?
Barrios.
Barrios.
Yeah. Okay? Got it?
Okay.
Okay? You know, just so you understand that, right? You got that? I'm taking your knowledge as a yes? Okay. So you've been advised trespass.
So because I wanted to document the police at this location, I'm now trespassed from the entire strip mall. And this is a perfect example why you can't trust police when they act nice. And it's just been nonstop. Hey.
Real fun fact, actually.
Yeah.
I thought of a great new email for you.
Okay.
Just do Sloco.
Sloco?
Yeah, I thought it was great and catchy.
Instead of Slo Observer?
Exactly. I heard you on one of your videos do the email, and I was like, man, that thing's confident.
It's kind of.
I was like, Sloco. That's perfect.
Sloco.
Right?
You know what? I'll consider it. I'll consider it, man.
As long as you hashtag me.
Is there two Warners?
No, it's just me, man.
Just you?
Yeah.
Did you do the
Okay.
I haven't done her yet. No. I've only done everyone in there.
So, how many people got arrested in the van? Or just today?
Don't know the number.
You're not sure? All transient?
A few, yeah.
Okay. I got an email, bro. I need another one.